Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by connecting your camera directly to the computer and launching Capture One. Once done, set the camera to Tether or PC remote mode so the app can detect it. Make sure the camera battery is full or use a dummy battery to prevent interruptions. Use a USB-C or USB 3.0 cable. Avoid hubs and cables longer than 3 meters to reduce dropouts. You'll see the session dialog. Create or open a session to store images immediately in a dedicated folder. You'll configure the session. Choose a capture folder and naming template so files save predictably. Next, enable live view if you need framing and focus feedback. This explains why you'll tweak autofocus and lens corrections before shooting. Set capture naming, metadata presets, and any auto-import rules to speed workflow. Adjust exposure preview and tethered shooting speed for continuous or single-shot scenarios. Once configured, trigger the camera from Capture One and watch images appear for immediate review and quick. You'll finish by culling and applying session adjustments. Use variants, ratings, and copy/paste adjustments to speed edits. Then export final files with an output recipe and save a backup to a separate drive to protect originals. Make sure to stop tethered capture before unplugging the camera to avoid corrupt files. If things go wrong, check the physical cable and camera sleep settings first, then confirm drivers and permissions, and restart Capture One. That simple troubleshooting usually restores a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.